For those more demanding jobs that just need to be done right, add WD-40 Specialist to your toolbox. Keep your engine in top condition with Throttle Body Carb and Choke Cleaner from the WD-40 Specialist range. Formulated to maximise carburetor fuel system performance, WD-40 Specialist's Throttle Body Carb and Choke Cleaner is formulated for rapid and safe removal of gum, dirt, varnish, lead and carbon deposits. With these contaminants gone, you'll experience smoother idling, increased performance and improved fuel consumption whilst eliminating issues with stalling, difficult starting and excessive exhaust fumes. WD-40 Specialist's Throttle Body Carb and Choke Cleaner is suitable for all kinds of machinery, including cars and motorcycles. Now with the engine off and cool, remove the air cleaner or intake duct. Shake the can well and then spray the exterior of the carburetor, being careful to protect painted surfaces and sensors from overspray. Ensure the product has fully dried before turning on the ignition, and now with the car cooled down, you can safely spray WD-40 Specialist's Throttle Body Carb and Choke Cleaner straight down the carburetor throat or throttle body. This will blast deposits from the choke, valve and throttle plate areas. To keep your engine functioning like new, use the WD-40 Specialist Throttle Body Carb and Choke Cleaner. No matter which specialised product you reach for, the decades of science behind WD-40 brand products and formulas deliver the superior performance you need.